Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Here's just another thing that we can do in the mid-den. This is a Luxe Elite 42MD. Just one of the flexible things that we can do in this area. This person has an office area set up. Just a beautiful, also it poses as a laundry room. He's got the washer and dryer back in that cabinet over there. Just a beautiful cabinet area with lots of storage. He's got a little wine cooler there and some above storage here. So this is just another thing that you can do. Here's the washer and dryer in this mid-den area. Very flexible area. That's what we are all about with a Luxe luxury fifth wheel. We can do things like this for you, the customer. So give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.